Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to stop your browser from wasting RAM in both Chrome and Edge. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots there, which is the main menu icon. Click on those three dots and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can control various aspects of how the browser operates. Now, once you're inside the settings page, look at the left sidebar. You'll see several categories listed there. Click on Performance. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how Chrome uses your system resources, including memory and processing power. It's where all the optimization features live. Within the Performance section, you'll find an option called Memory Saver. This is Chrome's built-in feature to reduce RAM usage by putting inactive tabs into a lower power state. Next to Memory Saver, you'll see a toggle button. Click that toggle to turn it on. Once enabled, Chrome will automatically free up memory from tabs you're not actively using, which significantly reduces the browser's overall RAM consumption. This means smoother performance, especially if you tend to keep many tabs open at once. Now let's move on to Microsoft Edge. Open your Edge browser on your computer. Just like with Chrome, look at the top right corner and click the three horizontal dots to open the menu. From there, click on Settings to access Edge's configuration options. Once you're in Edge settings, navigate to the left sidebar again. This time, you'll want to click on System and Performance. This section contains all of Edge's resource management tools, similar to Chrome's performance settings but with a few additional options specific to Edge. Inside System and Performance, scroll down until you find the Memory section. Under this heading, you'll see an option that says Automatically Put Tab to Sleep. Click the toggle button next to it to turn this feature on. This tells Edge to start managing your inactive tabs by putting them to sleep, which drastically reduces memory usage without closing the tabs completely. Right below that, you'll notice another setting that says Put inactive tabs to sleep after a set time. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. You'll see several time options available such as 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and so on. For this example, choose 15 minutes from the list. This means that any tab you haven't interacted with for 15 minutes will automatically go to sleep, freeing up RAM while keeping the tab ready to reactivate when you need it. And that's it. You've just configured both Chrome and Edge to stop wasting RAM by enabling their built-in memory saving features. Your browsers will now run more efficiently, especially during multitasking. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.